The perfect nesting. Lixit Cotton Nesting Material provides an instant nest for birds, gerbils, hamsters, and other small critters. All natural, this nesting material contains 100% top-grade short cotton fibers, making it easy for your pet to pull apart and assemble the perfect nesting space. Safe place. Nesting gives your pets a feeling of a safe and soft resting place. Perfect in hard-bottom cages, creating a warm and inviting environment. Lixit Cotton Nesting is proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Canary plays. I have male canary who likes to take small pieces and scatter them all around. He then gathers them again and moves them around before he drops them outside of the cage. He plays for hours. I also have a small nest that he likes to put them in. I thought he was a female but found out I was wrong. Only male canaries sing.